don't tell anyone. I am going to play my favorite video game all night long. Wow, this level is so cool! I can keep playing for just 5 more minutes, right? Oh boy, I am getting a bit sleepy, but I really want to beat this high score.
Oh no, it is morning already. My head feels so heavy and my eyes are burning.
Good morning, Finn. It is time to get up and get ready for a great school day.
Morning, Mom. I am coming, but my body feels like a heavy block of ice today.
Breakfast is almost ready, Chief. We have hot pancakes and fresh juice on the kitchen table.
Thanks, Dad. I do not know why I feel so tired and sluggish this bright morning.
Did you rest well last night, sweetie? You look like you barely slept a single hour.
Yeah, I slept okay. I guess I just had some really strange and active dreams.
Make sure to finish your breakfast soon, buddy, or you will miss the morning school bus. Oops, my hands are not working properly today. Why is tying shoes so tricky right now?
Hey, Finn! Hurry up! The yellow bus is coming down the street right now! Let's go! Wait for me, Nia. My legs feel like 2 giant bags of heavy, wet sand today. Are you feeling okay, Finn? You have big, dark circles under your amber eyes this morning.
I am totally fine, Nia. Just a little sleepy, but I will wake up very soon.
Here comes our bus. Let's grab 2 nice seats near the front windows before they fill. Morning, Mr. Driver. We are ready for another exciting and fun day at elementary school today. Oh, this window glass is so nice and cool. I might just close my eyes briefly. Finn, wake up. Do not fall asleep on the bus ride or you will miss our stop. Look, we arrived at school. Everybody is moving fast to get to their morning classrooms on time.
We have a big science lesson first period today, Finn. I hope you are ready to learn.
Science class sounds great, Nia, but my brain feels like it is completely filled with thick fog. Please open your notebooks to page 20 and pay close attention to this vital lesson on energy.
This science lesson is super interesting. I am writing down every single key word in my notebook.
The teacher's voice sounds like a soft lullaby right now. I am fighting so hard to stay awake. Everything is becoming so blurry. Just one quick tiny nap will not hurt anyone at all, right?
Oh no, Finn. He actually fell fast asleep right in the middle of our main science lesson.
Finn, sweetie, please wake up. Sleeping during class means you are missing very important learning instructions today.
Huh? What happened? I am awake. Did somebody call my name just now? I was just resting.
Can you answer the question on the board, Finn? We just explained the entire cycle to everyone.
I don't know the answer, teacher. I was not paying attention because I was sleeping.
That is the bell for recess. Class is dismissed, but please remember to study your textbooks tonight. You missed the whole lesson, Finn. Now you will have to read 3 extra long chapters tonight.
I feel so silly, Nia. Missing class was awful,
and now my head hurts from being so tired.
Look at everyone playing tag. Recess is usually my favorite part of the whole school day, but...
Ugh. I don't even have energy to run or kick a soccer ball today. I just want a bed.
Here, drink some fruit juice. Finn, why are you so incredibly tired today? What happened last night? Promise not to tell? I stayed up until 3 in the morning playing games on my video console. Playing games late at night ruins your sleep, Finn. Your body needs rest to grow and stay smart.
You are totally right, Nia. Staying up late was a really bad choice. I ruined my whole day.
School is over for today. Let's walk home together and talk about how you can fix this tonight. When you go home, you should tell Mom and Dad the truth so they can help you out.
Yeah, I will tell them everything. I don't want to ever feel this sleepy at school again. Thanks for talking with me, Nia. You are a really great friend. See you tomorrow at school.
Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad. I are home from school, and I need to tell you guys something important.
Welcome home, Finn. How was your day? You still look very tired, my sweet chestnut-haired boy.
Come sit down with us, son. Tell us what is on your mind. We are always here for you.
I stayed up super late playing video games secretly. Then I fell asleep in science class today. Sorry. Thank you for telling us the truth, Finn. We appreciate your honesty, but staying up late hurts your health.
Your brain and body need good sleep every night to stay strong, healthy, fast, and super happy.
I have a wonderful idea. Let's create a brand new healthy bedtime routine chart for you, starting tonight.
A new bedtime routine? How does it work, Mom? Can it help me feel super energetic every morning?
Yes. Rule number 1, no glowing screens or video games 1 whole hour before going to sleep.
Rule number 2, take a warm bath, put on clean pajamas, and pack your school bag for tomorrow.
Rule number 3, read a fun, cozy book together in bed until your eyelids feel soft and heavy.
This routine sounds amazing. I am going to follow every single step on this list tonight without fail. Step 1 complete. A nice warm bath feels so relaxing after such a long and tiring school day. Step 2. My star pajamas are on, and my blue school backpack is packed neatly near my door. Goodbye, video games. You stay inside this drawer so my eyes can rest peacefully all night long now.
Time for step 3. Let's read about brave knights and glowing dragons before we turn off the light.
Wow, this book story is so exciting, Dad. But my eyes are feeling super sleepy and relaxed already.
Good night, my sweet brave boy. Sleep tight and have wonderful, peaceful dreams full of happy adventures tonight.
Good night, champion. Tomorrow is going to be a bright, energetic, and successful day for you at school.
Sleeping early feels so cozy, soft, warm, and nice.
Good morning, world! I woke up before my alarm clock rang, and I feel totally full of energy.
Wow, my body feels light and powerful today. Sleeping early really works like magic on my brain. Good morning, Mom and Dad. I feel so healthy, fast, awake, and completely ready for school today.
Good morning, Finn. Look at your shining amber eyes. We are so proud of your wonderful choices.
Goodbye, Mom! Goodbye, Dad! I am running out to catch the school bus with my super fast legs. Hey, Nia. Good morning. Look at me. I am totally wide awake and full of super bouncy energy.
Yay! You look amazing today, Finn. Your bright eyes tell me that your new bedtime routine worked perfectly.
Teacher, I know the answer to that science question on the chalkboard. Pick me, please.
Excellent answer, Finn. You are paying great attention today, and you earned a gold star for your effort.
High five, Finn. You did it. Staying rested makes learning so much fun and super easy for everyone. Sleeping early gives you power to learn, play, and win every day. Good night, everyone, and sleep well tonight.